This video provides a strategic overview of India's journey toward becoming a global hub for quality, culturally rooted toys, exploring the transformation from local craftsmanship to international markets. India's toy industry is bridging a 5,000-year-old heritage with modern innovation. From ancient clay artifacts to modern tech-integrated designs, artisans are now combining traditional skills with advanced manufacturing to reach global standards. Driven by a massive youth population and rising incomes, domestic demand is shifting towards smart and educational toys. Consumers are increasingly seeking STEM-focused products, along with toys featuring AI, augmented reality, and virtual reality technology. Strategic interventions have successfully shifted India's toy sector from an import deficit to a $152 million export surplus. Exports have surged by over 150%, while imports of traditional and educational toys have seen a significant decline. The government has implemented comprehensive policies to safeguard and elevate the industry. This includes mandatory quality certifications, increased tariffs to protect local manufacturers, and specific exemptions designed to support traditional artisans and heritage crafts. Through initiatives like Toycathon and expanded market access programs, India is positioning itself as a leader in the global toy industry. By fostering innovation and enhancing competitiveness, India has successfully evolved into a dynamic, export-oriented manufacturing hub.